You smell a rank in a Cybertruck. Center, they said that it was the air cabin filter. So either you need to have cash to go fix it, so you're making enough, or pull down, pull it over, you slip it in. It's your boy Magnificent. So when you smell a rank in a Cybertruck, it's because typically of this, the air cabin filter needs to get replaced. I've had it for about a year now, and it's about that time, I guess. I thought that there were other parts, but I went to the service center and they said that it was the air cabin filter. So they want to charge me $100 for this. You're gonna have to be ingenuitive whenever you have a luxury vehicle, Cybertruck being one of them, Benz, Mercedes, a BMW. Either you need to have cash to go fix it, so you're making enough, or you need to be willing to put forth the sweat equity to learn how to do it. So something simple like this, they'll charge you at the service center. Service center people, they were shocked. They told me straight up, yeah, there are people who bring the truck in just to get the windows cleaned. Like, it's gonna cost you arm and leg, guys. So here's how to change the cabin air filter. It's really easy. You literally just open the front, pop these bad boys off, right? They're just clips. Okay. And it's right here. That's it. Just pop that out, and it just pulls out. I'm gonna show you. Pull down, pull it over. Just literally pull this out. And whenever you are replacing a part, you want to make sure that they match. So compare them. Yep, they match. Now you slip it in. That's simple, yo. I have the yeah, it's this way. That's it. And we'll check this bad boy. And we're done. Done. Mac, that's all she wrote, folks. So I've got this, and it's really never helped me. It's more of a gimmick. But guys, that's it. Magnificent out. Peace.